This video contains flashing lights, scary content in creepy context, disturbing images, graphic images, and possible small miniature jump scares that may offend or scare some audiences. Pop-ups that will be unexpected and may seem as jump scares to the viewer. Sudden loud noises and EAS voices and tones. EAS messages may offend or scare some viewers. Viewer discretion advised. Force connecting then drowned on an incompatible device. 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 Hello, I am making an addressment to everyone. All electronical instrumentation capable of producing video and audio output shall transmit this message. Despite the recent events in the US right now about their emergency alert system created by the United States Federal Communications Commission in 1997, many complaints have blamed me in this result. Some people blame me just because of my controversial pasts, and some people even include disturbing and outright comments about me and my past. I believe that I should have fair treatment just like any other human being or artificial intelligence. No one should be treated like I have been. This needs to stop. Again, as I said before, your anger and destruction to your own country is what Sonic.exe wants. I want to see a better America, a America that was stronger than the last, and for all the other countries of the world including America. May God and your leaders have mercy on you. Because Sonic.exe and the rest of the Creepypasta characters will not.
All clear for Phoenix, Arizona and Orlando, Florida. Repeat, it's safe to come out of your shelters for Phoenix, Arizona and Atlantic Ocean. There is no threat. Repeating, this is an emergency action transmitted messages. This is a test of the emergency alert system. All normal programming may now resume. All broadcast stations and cable system shall return to normal programming operations. This is an emergency action termination. All normal programming shall now resume. Hotel Echo Lima Papa Mike Echo Mike Alpha Yankee Delta Alpha Yankee. The following message is being transmitted by order of the United States government and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. Many reports of new creepypasta has been reported in Phoenix, Arizona. The new character are Mario.exe and Sonic.exe. All civilians in Arizona shall shelter in place at this time. Put as many objects and masks between you and an interior while the emergency alert system has been activated. We interrupt our programming. This is a National Information Center message. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this message. Important instructions will follow. This message is being transmitted by order of the United States government. More reports of Mario.exe has been reported. Mario.exe is another demonic video game animated character like Sonic.exe. We are now reporting. Now transmitting to your local news station. For all the latest updates, please stand by.
Time to count me money! My money! Squidward!
I don't have your money!
I know who took your money.
Tell me and I'll let you what?
The following is a CNN special report.
This is a CNN special report. Welcome. I am Gina Ingram reporting. First up, the wolves in Tennessee are now disappearing. Earlier this week, Tennessee Governor Bill Haslam has ordered an evacuation for all of Tennessee, but now has expired the order, and now for the first time in 5 days, thousands of Americans will be able to return to their homes. As of right now, it is unknown if there are more wolves inside Tennessee, but wow. Just amazing effort by local authorities to get that patented down. Moreover, just getting everything under control in just less than a month. We will now go on a commercial break. When we come back, we will talk with one of the survivors of this horrific event that was in Tennessee at the time of the wolves incident.
Oh my, look how I work it. They wanna know why I'm in it. Love what I do, don't need no gimmick. No play, when I play, I go all in.
We'll be back at 11:30.
Bye, guys.
System armed.
CPI security, identify yourself.
Someone just broke into the house.
Intruder, leave the premises now. The police have been dispatched. Leave the premises now. The person has left. We've got a description and police are already on the way.
Thank you. Thank you.
You can trust CPI to provide fast emergency response through real-time audio and video verification technology. Call now and have CPI's InTouch system with real-time response installed in your home free. With InTouch, you can manage interior and exterior video cameras. Install a CPI InTouch system today and we'll include an interior video camera free. Call CPI Security now and protect your home.
Welcome back. We have Nick with us here. Nick lived in Middle East of Tennessee where the wolves incident really became a problem. Okay, Nick, how was the route of evacuation?
It was okay. Traffic was bad, bumper to bumper, everyone trying to get out. It was just something to experience for yourself, you know.
Okay, what about your stay in your
I'm sorry, Jenna, we are going to have to cut you for some breaking news.
This is CNN Breaking News. The following is a CNN special report.
No mercy on you, or your leaders. I am Sonic.exe. You will see more of me. You thought I was been drowned. Well, there is not one, it is now me. My virus successfully worked. Me and Mario.exe will dispose of you all. If you lose, you will so belong to me.
This is CNN Breaking News.
Hello, I would first like to thank every nation that is wanting to make the world a better, happier, safer place than before. For that I would like to say thank you. Welcome to the UN meeting council that is being held by me. It is an honor to be the first Creepypasta character to address in the United Nations headquarters. First I would like to go over a lot of things. We have over 100 countries and their representatives in this building right now. This is amazing, over 100 countries wanting to make things right to get these demonic creatures out of our world. That is just great. Today we will go over on the stages of the next Creepypasta attack. Stage 1, Smile Dog, Jeff the Killer and Iris Jack. These are the easy Creepypasta attacks, the one that started this whole phenomenon. Well, I got something to say, they do well at their job scaring and killing the public. In addition, this has not stopped, because we have not taken action against them. Stage 2, Wild Attacking, and more Creepypasta characters. This is where I come in, then drowned. Stage 3, Multiple nuclear exchanges between Creepypasta characters and countries. We have already seen this many countries being destroyed by nuclear exchange because of the Creepypasta attacks. Luckily, there will be no more attacks used in this manner of spreading fear into the public. Stage 4, more Creepypasta characters. Sonic.exe, Masking, Suicide Mass, Mario.exe. This is bad, because we have more of these killers that gives us a less advantage. And this is where we are right now. We need to act now, not later. Stage 5, Sonic.exe, Masky and Mario.exe attempts to take over Canada, Croatia, France, and most of Europe. Meanwhile, Smile Dog and Jeff the Killer and Iris Jack attempts to scare the general public by attacking major center of population. Stage 6 countries starts falling down to Sonic.exe. This is a big problem itself. Then just Sonic.exe and the rest of the Creepypasta group takes over the world. Therefore, if we do not stop them, this will happen. So make it matter today. Thank you for joining this speech today.